Okay, this is how I add readings to my content area in D2L. So first of all, if it's a reading that you want to add that is a file on your computer, like a PDF file for instance, or maybe a Microsoft Word document, then you want to go ahead and upload that file first before you add a readings file to the content area. So to do that, you have to go to Table of Contents under Content. And then once you're there, choose Related Tools and Manage Files. And this is how you upload files for anything in D2L, is to go here to Manage Files and then choose Upload. And I'm going to choose a file that could be used as a reading, maybe a PDF file here. I'll find one in my list of files. So here's a PDF file right here, and choose Open. And then choose Save, and that will actually upload the file. Here it is, Internship Portfolio Handbook. Let's say this was something that I wanted my students to read. Now that it's up here, again, I went to Content and Table of Contents and then Related Tools and Manage Files, so I can upload files right there. Now that that file is added, I can go to New here, and for my readings, this is how I set it up. I choose Create a File, and then I name this Readings, and I might actually describe what the readings are in the title as well so that you can see it without clicking on it. And then there's this special button right here that allows me to link to different things. It allows me to link to websites, to files, and more, but I'm going to link to that file in this case. So course file is what I choose here, and then I find that internship portfolio, and then I link it right here. And I can choose Publish, and then students will be able to see that. And it says a file already exists with the name readings.html, so I just tell it to create a new file so that it doesn't overwrite the old one. And now under this week, I have a readings file here, and when it's opened, it's nested together so that they can click on this file and read it, and they can also choose to save and download it, and they can view it in its own page and do a whole bunch of things with that. So that's one part of what we're doing. The other part is to add a link to a website. So in this readings that I have created, I can actually click on it and edit it and then add a link to a website as well. So there could be a reading that is this PDF, but I could also add a link to a website just below that. And it's the same button right there, and then choose URL, and then I have to copy and paste an address in there, and then that would link to a website. So I have a website that I already have used or copied. I can paste it into here and insert that, and then choose Update, and this way I can have multiple readings into one file in D2L.